So we go. RPM is good, oil pressure good, oil temperature.
Cessna 154, make right traffic, runway 24.
We're looking for 60.
Rotate.
Runway 4 clear for takeoff. Cessna
Looking for 60. So, yeah. And pitch for 80.
That's it, Quebec Foxtrot, runway 24, clear to land.
24 clear to land, Quebec Foxtrot.
I'm sorry, pitch for 100.
Yeah.
Okay, now you got this thing.
Yep.
Okay, now back up manifold pressure to 23 slowly. Back it up. 23, and now do the RPM to 2400. Unscrew it. And look, yeah, 2450.
November
There you go.
13 Foxtrot, runway 24, make right traffic, follow the
Alright.
Cessna, doing the same, clear for takeoff.
We good for
13 Foxtrot.
clear to the right?
Takeoff.
Clear to the right.
Following.
It wasn't that bad, right?
Yeah.
Just a little thing. So yeah, see those obstacles become yellow now?
Yeah, okay. It's weird that they're lines.
I really don't understand what the lines. I have to refresh myself with the
Romeo Alpha Palomar Tower,
fancy garment things.
continue holding.
Okay, clear 45.
Clear 45. How is it? The right rudder doing good?
Yeah.
Yeah, this little rudder top helps a bit. If I would put it neutral, you would experience that the whole wrath of 182, but... Yeah, my headset seems okay. I think it was just the open window kind of somehow make my headset flap and make this weird sound. Alright, then gap offset to the left. And we're gonna go to 4,500 now.
Alright.
Yeah, keep yourself, and here's your new passion, okay?
Okay.
Is a cylinder temperature that you're gonna monitor all the time.
Alright. And so in the event that,
Go ahead, turn up there.
even with full cowl flaps open, that's still going too high.
Well, then, you know, it doesn't look good, and you will have to, you know, the reduce power, lower the nose, you know. And by the way, I think this guy is...
It's in miles per hour.
Miles per hour, okay, never mind.
98219 is Cessna 172 with information. Mike, we're over Oceanside Pier inbound for full stop landing.
So 971...
219er IDEF.
97144, try to kind of race with us a bit. Yeah, no way.
Tower 673, holding short runway 24.
Let me make it a little bit louder. I have a little bit squish sound. If it doesn't bother you. It does or does not?
73, holding short to 4, requesting
I can understand the tower, just not the other people.
Number 98219er, traffic ahead and to your right, less than a mile, turning northbound 1000, indicated type unknown.
Traffic to sight, 219er.
Cessna 219er, make right traffic, runway 24.
We'll make right traffic for 24, Cessna 219er.
November 9713 Foxtrot, make left traffic, runway 24, cleared for takeoff.
Helicopter.
9713 Foxtrot, runway 24, cleared for takeoff, make left traffic.
9713 Foxtrot is on the downwind.
Was it?
Solo shoot.
12275.
About that, 9997 Romeo Alpha.
Not quite right sometimes, 'cause I've been feeling myself too much, feeling myself too much. Oh, I'm missing your touch, missing the way you say my name. If it I'm away, you know I stay, but I got these songs to cut, and it's still with an empty cup. I've been sipping this drink too much, but goddamn, I've been working hard as fuck, and what's work without playing LA? I'm California dreaming, dreaming about you. One time I tell them I'm California dreaming, dreaming. One time I tell them I'm California dreaming, dreaming. California dreaming about you. California dreaming, dreaming. California dreaming about you. California dreaming about you. phone there dreaming.
Center right base, runway 24.
Right base 24, 206 Hotel Golf.
November 24 Lima, turn left, contact ground point 8.
Then over to ground 24 Lima.
Palmer Tower, Cessna 3106 uniform, 3500 of Bonsall inbound with Mike.
November 2 Quebec Foxtrot, make left traffic, runway 24, cleared for takeoff.
Left traffic 24, clear for takeoff. 2 Quebec.
Something was weird with that.
November 3106 uniform, Palomar Tower, ident.
Ident 06 uniform.
Yeah, just hold it firmly. Sometimes the the button's a little bit. Alright, so now you're pointed towards the Palomar.
November 06 uniform, enter right base, runway 24.
Enter right base, runway 24, 06 uniform.
Alright, so where's the airplane checklist before landing?
Thought you had it.
Oh yeah, I did, sorry. I put it with my paperwork, right?
Stole my checklist.
I stole your checklist.
Before landing, fuel selector growth, cowl flaps, closed, check, mixture rich.
Notice when you look at this, the airplane's banking, so be aware of that.
Direct to the number, 06
Probably was also heading to bank. Okay, mixture rich, propeller, full increase on final.
Yeah, so we're gonna wait for
not
that.
final yet, alright. Carb heat on is required.
Cessna 154, make left traffic, wind
Trim is required, I'm
2507, runway
good.
24,
Mixture
cleared for
adjust is
takeoff.
required, avionics proper. Or sorry.
Clear for takeoff, Cessna 154.
Propeller, carb heat, landing light on.
So look, every time you talk, and it's pretty normal, right? When you talk, you go in like this, look.
So keep looking back and forth.
Yeah, so ease up your grip, because this airplane fly itself, right? Ease up 2 fingers, right? And then you're not gonna have. So let's continue descent. So we're at 3,500, we have to get to 1,500.
Alright.
Where's Squires? Is it gonna be air wide enough? We need to call dentist. Yeah, so let go, do not go faster than
Charlie
1,500.
Alpha, maintain full respectful speed, please.
Maintain the forward speed, 409 Charlie Alpha.
Nope, other way. Maintain slowest practical speed for 9 Charlie Alpha.
Maintaining slowest practical speed, 409 Charlie Alpha.
So, when you said it, right, it's a beautiful airplane to fly, right? When you have to transition from one thing to another, it creates
November 9
complications,
Charlie
right?
Alpha, you're calling a stationary about your 3
That's a lot of setup, but then
1 mile.
once you get it,
Number
it's-
2,200.
I really need 2 knee boards, one for
the traffic,
checklist,
409
one
Charlie
for...
Alpha.
I could use the
Stationary 6 hotel.
Or flight checklist, but I don't like having
to... on a 3 mile final 1,500
pull it up.
Cherokee. Your
Yeah.
number 1, runway 24, clear to land.
Number 124, clear to land, 206 Hotel Golf.
6 Hotel Golf, that Cherokee is about your 9
can put it right
1
here.
mile 1,400.
Right here, squeeze it
Traffic in sight, 409
between
Charlie
the
Alpha.
glare shield.
9 Charlie Alpha, follow traffic. Number 2, runway 24, cleared low approach. After low approach, maintain VFR conditions southbound, report canceling IFR.
So yeah, we
So
have
weird, I can't just chop the power to lose altitude.
Well, if you have to, you have to, right?
Maintain VFR on the best approach, 409
But now you know how you have to plan ahead of this.
Yeah,
So square it off, go to the right,
right.
Hotel cancel altitude restriction on clear base.
4 November 1.
and re-establish it.
Hotel cancel altitude restriction on
So
clear
go
base.
all the way towards the ocean and then turn left. That will give you a little extra space in to lose all this altitude.
Quebec Foxtrot, extend into your downwind, I'll call your base.
I keep flying like this for now.
You call our base.
Squires is up there, see it?
Okay,
See that?
yeah.
And keep descending, you're not descending.
November 9 Charlie Alpha, I'm going to call your southbound turn for 2 Cessnas in the left downwind.
You'll call our southbound turn, 409 Charlie Alpha.
November 06 uniform, amend your instructions, fly towards midfield and make full right traffic, runway 24.
Fly towards midfield, make full right traffic, runway 24, 06 uniform.
November 8
That's your present.
Turn into your number 2, following a Cherokee.
So we're gonna go offset this way?
Land.
Go to the midfield.
We're on 45 even? Or
I would
Just slow it down.
Just 90
the
degrees.
traffic is
I
gonna
would
be
do 90 to 45.
Thank you.
okay,
But make sure that you pass that way.
okay.
Stationary 6 Hotel Golf, thanks for the help. Turn left, contact ground point 8
Oh,
today.
actually,
206 Hotel Golf.
we're already almost at 2,000, so...
Yeah, so 500 feet to go.
will be a full stop landing.
Roger. uniform, make a right 360.
Right 360, Cessna 154.
Quebec Foxtrot, you're following Pilatus traffic, 3 mile right base, 2000.
Following that Pilatus, right base, Quebec Foxtrot. Palomar Tower, Archer 409er, Charlie Alpha is executing this approach.
November 9er, Charlie Alpha, just continue westbound. I'm going to call your southbound turn for traffic.
You'll call our turn 409er Charlie Alpha.
Just make it shallow and gradual.
Quebec Foxtrot, Pilatus is off your left,
Freddy, you got the
1,400.
extinct volcano.
Palomar Tower,
Supposedly.
Santos 30 is visual 24, Pilatus is in sight.
This is volcano?
Turn base,
Supposedly.
24, clear to land.
For real?
24 clear to
Yeah,
land.
like a long extinct volcano.
And who else was calling tower?
I never heard of it, but it's
Tower, the
interesting.
Santos 30, visual 24 with the Pilatus in sight.
Santos 30, Palomar Tower, start reducing your speed, extend downwind, I'll call the base.
That'll be very puny one.
30.
9 Charlie Alpha, you can start the southbound
Okay,
turn.
you're coming up to 1500.
Yep.
Canceling IFR, starting southbound turn 409er Charlie Alpha.
9 Charlie Alpha, thank you. Maintain me for southbound and contact SoCal departure on 127.3. Good day.
Contact me SoCal departure on 127.3. Thank you very much. 409er Charlie Alpha.
Cessna 154, extend your downwind. You're going to be following a Gulf Stream on the extended right downwind.
It's us! Oh no, it's not!
154.
That's actually exactly what I thought.
Palomar Tower, November 469er Delta, Oceanside 1300, full south 24 Mike.
So,
Cessna 469 Delta, Palomar Tower, make direct traffic from wing 24.
expect
Traffic
downward.
for 2429 Delta.
That's fine, more time to think.
Palomar Tower, Cessna 739 Mike Hotel, holding short of runway 24, ready for takeoff with a left downwind departure. Cessna 154, just make another 360.
Oh,
Another right 360, Cessna 154.
Santos 30, turn base, runway 24, clear to land.
Turn base 24, clear to land, Santos 30.
November 739 Mike Hotel, Palomar Tower, that's on request.
Okay, go ahead and join the downwind. I think that's the...
Pilatus 8 Mike Hotel, left enable contact ground point 8.
Alright, left at Alpha 5, then go on the ground, 178 Mike Hotel.
And let her know that you're joining downwind.
November 06 uniform, once you join the downwind, extend your downwind, I will call your base.
you'll call your base, 06 uniform.
Alright, so she knows. So here's your letter P,
Yep.
which happened to be my last name. And,
Cessna 154, you're following Gulf Stream traffic, about a 5.5 mile right base.
Okay,
Alright.
Cessna 154 will be looking.
So I guess we can do boost pump, not applicable. Valve flaps closed.
makes to reach. Prop is not full yet.
Right.
And you will push RPM when you go close to, close to
Alright.
final. So now cylinder temperature creeping up back to
Yeah. Okay.
green arc. So. We're going to have a very extended downwind, I'm telling you that, because look how fast we're going.
How
right?
high is that T-mountain?
Cessna 9 Mike Hotel, runway 24, line up and wait traffic Gulf Stream inside a 5 mile funnel. Line up and wait on 240, 9 Mike Hotel.
The peak is 1700, so keep on that.
154, follow Gulf Stream, number
Keep on
2,
that
runway
side.
24, clear to land.
Runway 24.
I don't want to spook that guy.
154.
Quebec Foxtrot, turn right.
'Cause I know
November
those
3,
are at
runway
least
24,
1500.
taxi in November.
Yeah.
Taxi via November 2 Quebec Foxtrot.
And maybe peak is that 1700 feet, not this one, so
Oh.
it should be fine.
Cessna 9 Mike Hotel, left downwind departure approved, wind 2308, runway 24 cleared for takeoff.
I'm not sure if we're supposed to be this far.
9 Mike Hotel.
Maybe.
29er Delta, midfield, make a left 360.
Hold on, 360, 29 Delta.
November 06 uniform, you're following Cessna, turning left base 1500, report when you have them in sight.
Looking 06 uniform. Left base.
Verify clear land, Santos 30, 24.
Santos 30, runway
Yeah,
24,
two.
clear to land.
Clear land 24, Santos 30.
He's somewhere there, but I don't see
November
him.
06 uniform there, about your 3 o'clock and a mile and a half in the base turn, 1500.
We're still looking 06 uniform. You got him?
I got him, yeah.
Actually, insight 06 uniform.
November 06 uniform, follow them, number 3, runway 24. Clear to land.
Number 3, runway 24, clear to land 06 uniform.
Okay, go ahead and creep up because it's going to be, we're going to be faster than this guy, you know that, right?
Okay.
So so go ahead, line up to the runway, and we probably need to drop 10 degrees of flaps and stay in the wide arc. Hold on. When you turn.
Okay.
So keep it right here, close to that, because he's going to be way slower than us.
Yeah.
Right? So get line up, keep us coordinated, line up to the final.
Clear final.
So he's 200 feet below us, and now in wide arc you can put 10 degrees of flaps.
Wide arc.
Actually, you can put it according to the checklist to below 160. So at any time, pretty much. I got runway. It's a little bit off right. I got the airplane right in front of us.
All right.
So let's creep up.
Cessna 29er Delta after the 360, number 3, following Cessna traffic, 3.5 mile final.
After 360, number 3.
So you also expect to go around.
Okay. And so go around will be this forward, this forward,
yeah.
All flaps open.
Yep.
Santos 30, stay parking.
Western flight 1030.
Add flaps
Santos
20 just to go slower.
Okay, go ahead.
Western flight, be Alpha, and just monitor ground on your way in.
Left turn Alpha, monitor ground, Santos 32.
Remember, your approach speed's going to be around 80, and over the numbers going to be, the threshold's going to be 70.
All right.
So here you are, coming up.
Yep.
So it decelerate pretty quickly, right?
Yeah.
With the flaps.
Yeah.
So he's 400 feet below us, so now you can aim for the numbers. As you get closer, you can add that full RPM.
Palomar Tower, Skyhawk 5222 Quebec Foxtrot, holding short runway 24 November 1 in sequence, close traffic.
November 2, Quebec Foxtrot, Palomar Tower, Roger. Are you the third one in line back there?
Getting close to landing, I guess.
2 Quebec Foxtrot.
500 feet below.
First,
I think I see him
on the
right
north
there.
side, and are you ready to go?
13 Foxtrot, ready to
Oh,
go.
just going to squeeze someone in front of us.
13 Foxtrot, Roger. And who's second? Are you ready to go?
673, ready to go.
13 Foxtrot, Roger. You're next for departure. 673, number 2. 2 Quebec Foxtrot, you're number 3.
All right. Now let's go full RPM.
Full RPM.
Booster pump is no factor. Cut heat is no factor. We have a couple flaps closed.
636 Charlie, holding short, runway 24.
Airspeed check.
November
Little
2636
fast.
Charlie, Palomar
Have to slow
Tower,
down a
what's your
little bit.
direction of departure?
Look for
And short following, they're going to put 30 degrees.
Departure. 263.
All right, I'll go flaps 30 now.
Okay, 30, and watch out, the speed is going to bleed out even more.
Cessna 29er Delta, number 2, runway 24, clear to land.
Number 2, clear to land, 2429 Delta.
Align yourself to runaway, and we're watching for that.
Cessna 9er Mike Hotel, frequency change approved. Frequency change approved, 9er Mike Hotel.
Yep, a little bit to the right.
154, turn left.
154, turn left at Alpha 4,
We're going to be slowly reducing the power, a little bit more to the right.
Left Alpha 4 behind the Gulfstream.
I'm going to add my classic. Oh, that's all the trim? Wow, okay.
Okay, aim for the numbers just like before, with a little bit action, we're okay.
Cessna 989er 7 Foxtrot, Palomar Tower, number 5 for departure. You can taxi up to the hold bar.
Reduce power a little bit more, so we want to be at 80. Transition closest to 70.
Number 5, taxi to the whole bar. Flash on.
Yeah, hold it here. Do not chop the power. Look at 24. Little bit to the right. And now slowly start reducing the power.
Runway 24, line up and wait. Traffic Cessna inside a 2 mile funnel.
Slowly reducing the power all the way to the lane and hold this nose wheel up. It's going to be a little bit tight. Oh. Right here.
Higher, all right.
All right. That's your stall horn.
Yeah.
And it works.
November 06 uniform, turn left at Alpha 4, contact ground point 8.
Left Alpha 4, ground point.
Okay, is that Alpha 4?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry.
Palomar Tower, Cessna number 346.
There you go.
Holding short 24 at Alpha 1.
I did it! I don't have window. Hey!
November 13 Foxtrot, make right traffic, runway 24, cleared for takeoff.
Jesus, we're not even clear the runway yet.
Takeoff 24.
346 Charlie Papa, you're number 6 for departure.
Number 66 Charlie Papa.
29 Delta, you're clear to land.
Clear to land, 29er Delta for runway 24.
Take a picture of my airplane. Take a picture of my airplane. Oh, it looks so beautiful. Yeah, make sure that you clear this on picture.
Yeah, give me a sec. Landing light off. Lead the mixture, carpet off.
And come off land.